Are you ready to start gardening but not sure where to start? Well, I have a suggestion for you. My suggestion is to start simply with herbs. Herbs are one of the easiest, the simplest, the most reliable ways to grow food in your own garden. My name is Nicole Burke, and I am the owner and founder of Rooted Garden and Gardenary, and I'm on a mission to get everybody, including you, growing a little bit of your own food. For the last 5 years, I've been helping clients and students do just that. And after teaching hundreds and thousands of students online, one thing I found to be true again and again is that everybody, no matter where they're beginning from in their own gardening journey, has success first with growing herbs. Let me tell you why. When you grow herbs, they are one of the most forgiving types of plants. They can grow almost anywhere. You can see how many herb plants I have in just this one little container. The other thing about herbs is they are cut and come again. So most of the herbs that you grow are literally just that. You can cut for them and enjoy them in the kitchen, and then they'll come back and you can do it again and again and again. So other than instead of growing something like tomatoes or peppers or cucumbers, where you have to wait a really long time and then you finally get to harvest, maybe, herbs are one of those things that almost immediately after you plant them, you can start cutting from them, and the cutting never quits. I literally cut from this box at least once a week. The next reason why growing herbs makes so much sense and is a great way to start is the return on your investment is huge. I read this book that talked about the best kinds of vegetables and plants to grow in the garden to get the money back that you invest, and herbs were the top like 15 or 20. All the herbs were listed because they're so expensive at the grocery store. The taste is just eh. And you can get so many more harvests from just a very small space in your garden. So they're easy to grow. You can cut from them again and again, and it just makes sense in terms of money. So I want to help you grow your own herb garden and get started right away the right way. So I created a super quick and easy video guide to teach you the secret to herb growing success. Because it is a little complicated. When I tell people that they're easy to grow, most people say, oh yeah, well you should see my basil. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you why your basil might be dying, why your cilantro might never be growing, and why you haven't had success yet in your own herb garden. So check out my secret to herb garden success. It's a short and quick video that'll show you how you can start having success in your own herb garden right away. No matter what you do, don't give up. Don't say you don't have a green thumb or you're a plant killer or it's never going to work for you. I promise once you watch the video and start trying to grow your own herbs, you'll never say that you don't have a green thumb again. In fact, the opposite will be true. Thanks so much for watching. Now click right here, watch the video, and come back and tell me if you are ready to start your own herb garden too. I'll see you inside my Herb Garden Success Secrets video right now. Click right here, go do it. See ya.